At everyone, round 2, or Saturday, round 2. Ding, ding, muffs. Alright. Okay, let's get this fucking thing working, bro. So the problem is that it can end up getting giving like the first 5 cities each other as their rivals. And so what happens then is that when it gets to the last city, it's kind of like getting picked last. The last city wouldn't have any other cities left to be set as its rival, so it gets stuck here in this self-hate check loop. Oh my god. So yeah, it's like, oh, it's comparing itself to the city selected, and that's all that's left. So what is a way to ensure that that doesn't happen? Okay, I have a really fucking way of doing this. Okay, so if you set the rival city, self-hate check loop. Okay, so if it's true, it'll go here where you do an int add. This is such a weird thing. Int add 1, new variable, self-hate check loop count. Okay, it adds 1. Up here you do set int value, and you do this self-hate check loop. You set it to 0 every time you start over. Over here you're adding 1. Rusty Chicken says, okay dude, those buttons looking good. The ones, did you send more since I responded on Discord? I think if those are the last ones that you're talking about, then yeah. Did you send new ones? I thought that's what we were just talking about. Work in progress. And yeah, I need to figure out something for the health UI. No, not new ones. Oh, yeah. I need to figure out something for the health UI. Yeah, I think the way to go there is to kind of like figure out how to, it's easy to just go like, all right, green health bar, right? But then that's just because that is the first choice, the obvious choice. The context of it is like so against it, like the idea of like a Western game. Not to say you couldn't have a green health bar in a Western game, but having that kind, I think that's like a good lesson in itself to kind of be like, all right, now all of the UI can be kind of like how you designed those first buttons, because those first buttons felt very in place. That felt like it made sense in that context. But everything else felt so out of place. I looked at RD2R pick and want something color, I believe, but I am thinking of going round instead of linear bar. Right, and even if you use colors, it's kind of like I've heard a lot of designers talk about, there was a really good tweet. I saw somebody where they were talking about like, oh look, another completely arbitrary color scheme that you would have to pay a ton of attention to and really kind of tie everything together to realize that that's what it is, instead of just going with what is automatically and intuitively readable. And And very often you're calling attention. Like, what's the best way to say this? The things that you choose not to do are just as important as the things that you choose to do. You know, because you can be like, oh, I want it to be an extra shape and an extra symbol, and it'll have color and it'll do this. You know, it's all these variables that you're like taking into consideration now. When the more elegant solution is like, what is the thing that can give the player this information while feeling in context and also not drawing unnecessary attention to itself, you know? I feel like that's one of the things I hear talked about a lot on like in like GDC talks and like on Twitter posts. I see a lot of that because, you know, you could just share images of people usually just share single frames or just like a GIF of something, and it's like, yeah, if you can understand what's happening in that single frame or in that GIF, then the UI is doing its job. And if you're like super focused on it and you don't even see other things that are going on in that image or GIF, then the UI is very distracting. Yeah. Okay, so I set the self-hate check loop to 0, and then let's see, add loop plus 1, and when this is finished, it goes up to random city again, and then you do a int compare, and you check the self-hate loop, and you compare it to 10 or something, and if it's equal, you do true. If it's greater than, you do true. Same thing. And if it is true, then it goes here, where you do a bool set value, and it'll be the reset new variable array list reset bool, and then here is where you change it, set the bool value to true, and then this goes back to the top, reset list. All right, so then it's gonna do that thing again. It's gonna start from the top and go through all the cities again until it does one pass where it doesn't leave out a city. Let's see if that works. I tried red and blue, and I think they actually look good, to be honest. Nice, very cool. Let's see. There's also those websites too, the color palettes websites. Those are usually used, I guess, more for like designing environments, but you could use them for UIs too. Okay, that went through everything. DC, variables, rival city, Berlin, Morocco, Moscow, Paris, DC, London. Cool, let's run it again. Finding that happy medium of function and feature versus overdoing it and being too gaudy and tacky. Right, totally. Oh, look at this. It broke. Huh. Oh, that's why. That's funny. So the one thing I did forget is, okay. That's a good one. That's a good one. In this reset list, I'm gonna do an array copy, an array set. No. transfer value. Transfer a value from one array to another. Basically a cut copy. Okay. Index to transfer. But what if I want to just... I could just do this, right? Owner, FSM name, session builder, and this cities. I'm gonna. Is there a way to duplicate them? Can I duplicate this somehow? I think I just have to make another one, huh? Random city, move to... Okay. Make an array. City list, all cities. Game objects. 6. And this is just so the array can get reset. Alright, so in here, the variable we want to set is cities, and we're going to set it with the value all cities, so that gets copied over. But we should do an array clear first, which I think is in, let's see, array clear, goes right there, cities, oh, reset value, oh, there we go, optional reset value, leave none, okay. Wait, what? It's a game object. Leave as none for default value. Huh. It's a game object, though. Sets all items in an array to their default value 0, empty string, false, or null, depending on the type. Optionally. Let's see. Okay, that should work. Maybe. We'll see. Let's see. Okay, that one did it okay. I guess I should check while I'm here. Paris, Berlin, Moscow, DC, London, and Morocco. Okay. Also, I'm going to turn off this NPC testing spawner. Okay. Ran through it. DC, Paris, Moscow, Morocco, London, Berlin, and DC. I guess I should be looking at this just to see if it does encounter that thing, to see if my little reset thing works. I think that works. Okay, that just went through, no problem, never even got to the add loop part. I think it's safe to say that it functions in that normal way. Cool. Look, it just ran through it. There it goes. It went through that 5 times. Okay, so it didn't hit the 10. That's good. So it's just doing the normal loop function one. Oh, wait a minute, though. Self-hate check loop. Oh. So the very last city. That's funny. Okay. And that's why these are at 11. Wait, what? Let's check these. DC's is Paris. London's is DC. Paris is London. Berlin is Moscow. Morocco is Berlin. And Moscow is Morocco. Alright. I'm gonna give it another go just to make sure. Just to be sure. I feel pretty good about that. I'm down to push forward if this works one more time. I don't want it to work totally clean though. I want it to run into the problem and work. Come on. And if this does work, then the next thing to do is to tell our sources to start traveling around the world. And that way they could end up, you can hold meetings with them, and you have to meet up with them in different places instead of the same place every time. Add one loop. All right, I'll take this as it works. I'll take that as it works. If I run into it breaking naturally, that's fine, and I'll fix it then. But I'm pretty sure that works. Okay, fucking A. Dr. Stenkelstein, Ernst. Hello, Ernst. Good evening. What is it? Guten Abend. Guten Abend. What is it? Wie geht es Ihnen? Get travel working for player. Make 3 sources for agency sources. Help say they're listening, but they travel around. Will end up meeting them in other cities. Sources will sit around and repeat the intel to you after a mission. Okay, cool. Let's do it. And we ended up in source signal routines, and we ended up down here at the payment delivered. So we could do this at the very top. Choose city to help, and come on. Oh. Wait, isn't this where you click? Or where do you, right here? There you go. Okay. So it gets the mailman. And then Okay. Get mailman and then get rival city. So this is in get FSM game object, and we're gonna use the city to help. My goodness. This is becoming a pain. What is up with this? Why do I have a feeling it's like... the city to help, and then the city, the FSM name is city info, and then the variable name is just rival city spelled like that. Oops. Info. Okay. And we'll store the variable in a variable instead of prototype rival city. I'm just going to change it to rival city. Okay. And when that's done, it'll go down to here. Set color orange. All right. Payment delivered. Here we go. This is dialog with tag find game object routes. Okay, get rid of that. Nice, nice. Array let's get random gets the objective intel. Cool. Activate game object. Dialog canvas. So that when you finish the quest, they give you the info, and they'll sit around there for a while. Let's say they wait for now, let's just make it 10 seconds so we could do some testing. And instead of going back to that, they find closest. Nice, they go straight to here. That's say goodbye. That's how they leave. All right, let me make sure that my list says the same thing. Sources will sit around and repeat the intel to you after a mission for a random amount of time, from 1 in-game hour up to 6 in-game hours. I'm skipping that for now. That's easy to do. I'm just putting 10 seconds for now. After that, they just go to a despawn. Great, that's what they do. Source despawning means that they reset their signals in quest FSM variables and then deactivate. So I have a feeling that setting quest and signal variables, the reset variables should actually happen in the quests themselves. So How can I do that? How can I do that? I feel like it would make the most sense to do them in the actual quests. And signals. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look. So what variables do you need to reset? Let's keep this open. And we will signal variables to reset. So first we start here, get the okay, that's fine, that needs to signal complete. That will get reset. So first one is signal complete to, what the fuck? I swear to God, people are always burning shit. My fuck, is my computer burning? I hate smelling burning plastic, that's scary. Okay, signal complete gets checked. Signal picked also. And what else? Current signal. And I think that's it. So when it gets to the end of these things, it'll reset all those values. So I think they can all go to one state that just resets everything. So this begin meeting thing, and then Finn goes to here, and I'll make this set color red, I guess. Is there like a, let me see, reset FSM variables? Is there an action that does that just sets all the all the variables in the FSM? Reset variables, that's the one. FSM. That's all right. It's only 4. I mean 3. I could do those by hand. So first one we'll do is bool value, 2 of them, and then a string value. Set string. Okay. Current signal. Setting it to none. And then what is it? Signal picked and signal complete. And signal picked. Cool, so now that all gets reset. And every time I add a new signal, when it gets to the end of its run, they'll all connect to this. So the matchbook, the drink umbrella, the lay, and whatever other ones I decide to put in, they'll all end up here. Reset FSM variables. Okay. I think that's good, right? Variable name, quest in progress. Check again. The one thing I am wondering though is like under signal routines. Yeah, it says stop on exit state. So the problem here is that it'll exit state before it does those things. So actually we can't really make it a universal. They can't all just connect at the end here. Instead, it needs to be before this. So I'll just have to copy and paste this. Or actually, this is actually a universal thing too. Yeah, so actually they'll all just reach this point. So I'll make this red as well. Set color as red. There we go. So both of these, nice. So I'm done. I'll just swap these around. This will go here, and then oh man, this is killer. This like weird loading thing that's happening. Why is it doing that? Do I have an NPC? I wonder if it has something to do with the fact there's a static NPC, but didn't I? Let me see. Nothing but static NPC. Aha, here we go. Where are these boys at? Right. I'm gonna delete these boys. I hope that solves the problem. Something that has to do with that, maybe. DC signals. It only does it once now, does it? Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Good. Done. They reset. And in source signal routines, they go through all that, they give you the info, cool, and then they say goodbye, they despawn, right? They walk to their despawn spot. After they do that though, let's see. I'm gonna make a finished action here. Oh. Actually, yeah. Get distance. Get agent remaining distance. Remaining distance. Flip compare. 6.5. Less than. Make sure those are running every damn frame. Call this in route. And this is the arrived state. What happens when they arrive to their despawn? So we want them to go to a different city. We don't want that to happen right away necessarily. Or maybe we do. This is a fucking video game. Yeah, we do. We want them to just choose a random city and then, let's see, array list get random. Or actually, can you like get random game object? Can you do it by tag? Yeah, nice. City. Store the result in random city, and after it does that, we just do a, I want to say like activate game object. Put two of them in here, and a set position. Like that. Use owner, deactivate, not making it recursive, set position. We actually need a get position. From the random city, storing it in a vector 3 called random city. Oh, wait. I'll still put this random city spawn, but what we need to get is the spawn point for like the city center, wherever it is. Oh, you know what it is? It's kind of like, I think you do another get random game object. Oh, no. You do a get nearest. Find closest. Hang on. I kind of want to look at different ways to be able to get. So like if you wanted to send them to Berlin, right, you can get spawn points, these civ spawn points from Berlin, and they have, okay, cool. So I would get an array list, get random, okay. You saved me, why? Monkey. You save you? Me save you? Monkey. Monkey man. State 2. How's it going, Kilo Pro Goofy King? What in the world is Goofy King like? I just know Goofy King is the Kilo Pro guy. I want to know, who is Goofy King? So instead of doing a find closest, we're gonna do an array list get random, and I'm gonna put it right here, I believe. Or no, above it, one up. And we'll be focusing on the random city. And we'll be looking at the civ spawn points, which has a bunch of game objects in it. And the random item will be I'll just call it civ spawn point. Yeah, nice. And then get the position of that civ spawn point. Call that vector the random city spawn. And then set position. Oh, no. Yeah, then we deactivate the NPC. Oh, wait, no. But then if we deactivate the NPC, how the fuck am I supposed to finish the rest of this? Dab harder, think harder. Kilo Pro. Goofy King. Dab harder, think harder. What do I do here? Because I don't want to have to turn off all this. I might have to turn off all this shit. Maybe it's just nav mesh agent. Maybe I just turn off nav mesh agent. That might work. Let's just do that. Let's try it. Or maybe I can change. Yeah, let's just turn it off. Set property. Enabled. We're going to turn it off. What is that? A dab and an idea. A dab with a light bulb in a book. It's like thinking. So we're going to turn off the nav mesh agent instead of deactivating this whole thing, because that doesn't make any sense. And after you deactivate it, the nav mesh part only, you set the position of this thing to the random city spawn. And I should actually change that to, I'm just going to change it to civ spawn point v3. I don't need some new, I'm going to go delete that variable. Okay, it's not used anywhere, good. State. Turn off, set position, and this position should be world. And then we're gonna copy and paste this. This time we're gonna re-enable it. And then when all that's done, add a finished event, take us to the next thing. So this is warp to new city. And then what happens there? Does this send you back to the top? Get rival city. So all that only needs to be done once. Check again, right? Right, okay, cool. Find closest city, that's its current city. Great. Check if it's scared. Get current city. I don't believe this needs to go here. I don't believe this needs to go here. But this can. Get owner, this NPC. I'm just gonna put this, because who knows. Cool. So this is a send event that just does a check again thing. Check again. Alrighty. Send back to top. All right. There's still gonna be work to like test this shit, but that's the system. I guess we could at least we can at least see it happen for the DC. Right? Let's check. Let's see what happens. Let's see what breaks. I must be forgetting something. Game manager, NPC builder. Let's fucking run it. What's gonna break? I don't know if that meal I had was enough. I'm kind of hungry. Oh! Should I get some more pita bread? Get past this atrocious 6 frames. Cool. Oh, look at us. We're hopping around 70 frames per second right now. What's with that? What's with that? Look at us. Okay, is that our source right there? I think our source is going there. Is our mailman good? Oh, we didn't make a mailman. Fuck. Hold on. The jams. We're just using this to make a mailman, right? Okay, still gotta wait for that frame rate to jump up. Once I see that mailman moving. Rusty Chicken says, food! I know, I just want to eat all day. Look at this shorty. Oh, he's not so short over here. There we go. Okay, where's this coming from? DC, you betcha. Okay. Oh, who are you? Are you who I'm meeting here? Is there anybody here? It's probably you. There he is. Shh. Oh yeah, so I was talking to my friend. Anyways, blah, 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 blah. Alright, just gonna... I'll be right back. Oh. later, Mr. X. Cool. This photo. Where is this at? This is here in DC. I know that spot. That means... Is that our boy over there? Spawn item. Can I not shoot that far? There we go. Oh, that might have been the mailman. I might have just killed the mailman. Fuck. Let's find out. I really need to start applying skins to these people. I think I just killed the mailman. Alright. Our dude's around here somewhere. There he is. That's him over there. Can I shoot him from here? Got him. Oh, I feel so terrible. I killed the mailman. Alright. Oh! Arrayless proxy not found. Okay. So, okay. Cool. So, oops. What we need to do is, one is give each city their primary objective intel array list. Strings. Okay, and then make each city set their intel array lists. Set/build. And is there a third step? Okay. Woo! Right, okay, here we go. So DC has the primary objective intel. I'm gonna copy this component and I'm gonna put it on all these other cities. They don't have it, right? Okay, good. It needs to go on all these other cities. At the very bottom. Paste component is new. Okay. Primary objective intel, good. Primary objective intel, primary objective, and Moscow has it as well. Cool. Now, how does DC set their primary objective intel? That's the question. Do I do it with this city NPCs thing? Set source city to help. NPC as ready. I don't think so. City info, city schedule, flight manager, mailman, NPC passengers, and time zone. How does that get set? Is it in the game manager? Mole intel? Is this it? Why do I feel like this isn't it? It's been so long. Yeah, this is definitely not it. um, Citizen NPC spawner. Is it in the NPC builder? Is this what does it? Set. Okay, add to array. Oh no, you know what it is? I'm so dumb. It has nothing to do with the NPCs. It's the agencies. So agency HQ. Here's our agency HQ. We need to put agencies at all of the cities. So this is just an empty game object that has the places in them. That's just geometry. But on the empty game object for the agency, we have this agency builder, and in it, it chooses the room and spawn document, sets the intel, and then set intel string key code. Right. And then in this, I just change it to the city that it's in. Array list add. I think what I'll do is I'll use it to get nearest city. Let's do this. Call this get variables. Set as the start state. And I'll go down to here. Find closest. Tagged as city, store object as this city, and then in here, where is it? Right here. Specify game object this city. Okay. Same thing with this one. Yeah. That way I could just copy and paste it in those other ones. Okay. Nice. Put this up here. Okay. So actually, I'm kind of down to just copy and paste this whole fucking thing. Let's just do that. Who gives a fuck? Duplicate. Pop it in London. Duplicate it again. Pop it in Paris. Duplicate that shit again. Pop it in Berlin. Duplicate it one more time, why not? Put that shit in Morocco. And I'm down to just duplicate that just one more time for good luck. And put it in Moscow. Alright. I'm done duplicating shit. However, we have to move these things. Might even have to resize them. Like, this fucking thing needs to go all the way to... Let's see. This one's in Moscow. Okay. I guess the agency would be back here, huh? Or should the agency be on the other side of the park? I like it on the other side of the park. I'll do that. All right, place that one. And let's put this one in Morocco. Oh, there is no agency in Morocco. Oh, I fucked up. I need to make myself a piece of comfort pita. Just a second. I fucked up, y'all. I fucked up. Oh, let me close this door now, too. Oh my god. Morocco doesn't have an agency. Morocco doesn't have an agency. And... it's on that fucking list of cities, god damn it. Okay, maybe that's easier to solve than it seems. Let's check. Oh, first of all, I'm just gonna delete this because it doesn't belong there. I think I have a solution. Let me just finish putting these, let me just finish this. One thing at a time, Steven. All right, putting this one in Berlin. This is Berlin right here. We could put the agency over here too. I actually feel like a good spot for this agency would be over here. Yeah. Cool, that one's in Berlin. And agencies in Paris. There's actually already an agency right here. So, I'm gonna do something weird and just slap it on top. I'll make it its own thing later. And put it like right here. Gonna have to go through 2 staircases to get here. All right. And then, oh, let me get this. Playing this playlist is kind of like being at an amusement park all day, where it's like, it's just enough variation where it's like, you can kind of still hit those like, you know, enjoy it moments. But also, you start catching the loop, and it does just feel like you're at an amusement park. At least for me it does, because I'm making this game and it's like Disneyland. Alright, so Paris is done. Can minimize that one. And the last one's in London. Alright. Last one, y'all. Okay, same deal. I'm gonna spin it around. Ooh, pita is ready. Alright. I'm gonna back it up. Okay, I like that. I like that. And how is this? Okay, good. They're all still set to walkable. Good, good, good. Getting excited. Alright, so all these places have their agencies. They should all automatically add the agency to their cities. And let's just see what happens. I feel like there might be something that has weird timing issues, like some dependency kind of things might happen, where it's like, uh-oh, this thing didn't load in time or something like that. I'm so dumb, I almost forgot. Game manager. Right, I told you I had a solution. Go into session builder. Okay, let me get my pita. Oh man, I'm telling you. Ooh. Alright, chat. Talk to me. What's going on? Have a little chat moment while I smash on this. Ooh. Oh man. So much work. Alright, chat's not gonna talk, I'm gonna talk to myself. Might even just work. Okay. Plan is at the top of this, don't even do this. Oh, I do need that. Damn it. Damn it. Do I just need to put in a state that checks if it's Morocco? The Morocco check state? Because from this I could just remove Morocco. Like this. Right? And I'll just have to put these as 5. Put Moscow there. Same thing with this one. Just put Moscow. And that. Change it to 5. Right? So now Morocco is not a place that there is an agency, but this still has it, so I'm just gonna do, is there an array get next? Can I just... Okay, there it is. There it is. I'm just gonna replace that. It's gonna be the same thing. I'm just gonna copy these values. So the array is cities. Oh shit, it gets... Wait a second, that doesn't work. Do I have to make 3 fucking arrays that have the same thing? Okay. Loop event, reset flag, reset bool, finished event, fin, result, next city. Okay. But I'm gonna have to change which array I'm getting it from. Yeah. I'm just gonna have to make another one, god damn it. Array cities 2 electric boogaloo game object 5 funf Zeugs. This is gonna work. Skip Morocco, go to Moscow. All right. Cities 2. Yeah. Okay. Let's run it. Let's do it. I must be missing something. What am I missing? I don't know. Let's see. Let's find out. In the moment that it takes to load, I'm gonna put this mouse away. Come on, give me that sweet 60 FPS again. Yeah, nice. Mailman's on his way. If this works, it's like, holy shit, the game is coming along pretty fast. Pretty fast. Okay, so this boy's gonna meet me at the Manupidi for show. I think at some point I'm gonna want it so the source doesn't always start at your city. Like, I should make it so that the source starts at basically anywhere except your city. Or, I guess it could start at your city. Just random cities, you know? Because the idea of him starting here all the time is kind of like, eh. Is that him? There he is. It's scale time. Where are you going, sir? Nice. Oh. Whoa. Ah, shit. Hold on. There we go. Some janky stuff with my inventory. Okay. Where's this guy? Oh, he was here! This boo was here. I've never seen that happen. So he was in DC, and he was like, like, in that instant that this photo was given to me, only seconds before this photo was taken, right there behind me, like right there. Oh my god, that is so fucking funny. What that means is like you can you can like inadvertently fuck, it's so good. You can inadvertently end up in the photo of your own man. Oh my god, that's so funny. Like, imagine if you would have gotten that photo, like, and you were in the background. Oh my god, that's so good. Or even, like, in the foreground. Oh my god, so funny. Who's this? Who's this? This is him. Alright, you're dead. You're dead, bro. Oh, Christ. Okay. Come here. Agency room 2. And that's all we know. That makes sense. Okay, cool. So it gives us one piece of information. Oh! And the thing that we need to start to get going now is making it so there's multiple sources. Okay, so it's in... The thing that's funny is that all the agency rooms now are called DC agency room because I just duplicated them. DC, city info. Our rival city is Moscow. So if we selected Moscow and you went to the agency HQ, this should be the one that does it. This should have the documents in it. It does. Nice. Okay, so it's fucking working. Oh my god. I can't believe all this is coming together. Yeah, so that's it. We have our first piece of information about another city. Okay, dude. Gonna call it an evening as far as streams go. Need to work a bit more on Tumbleweed before I am okay with calling it a day. I should be able to hang with you a bit tomorrow as well. Have a good evening and much progress. Yeah, get it done. Get her done. And thank you. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm on a roll here. Let's see. this up? Did I turn this off? No. Okay, good. Holy smokes, yeah, so this works. Alright. OBS lagged out. Oh, did it? I don't know where I cut off, but I was saying, yeah, you've been making some good progress. Things are looking good on your end. Stay in that zone. But yeah, get some good sleep and everything. I don't know where I cut out. I was just saying things are looking good for you. All right, peace, dude. And thank you. So, should I try the? Or I did. I already killed the guy and then got the piece of information. Cool. So let's set things up. I think on my list of things to do, make 3 sources per agency. So 3 in the source array list. Begin with 1 activated and 2 deactivated. 1 is activated by a random amount of time until all 3 are activated. Oh fuck, hold on. You know what I forgot to do? Oh, my bad. We were supposed to stick around to see the rest of that. Okay. Hang on. We gotta play that. Excuse me, gotta play that again. Gotta play that again, yeah. Forgot to see if, excuse me, if the source, oh look, it put it back in the same room. I guess that can happen. So after we fulfill our source mission, the source should go pick another place to go. There he is. This guy is in Morocco. I think this is the first time I've ever seen a dude spawn in Morocco. Alright, let's go there. I wish I had the plane set up to do that. I should just do that like this weekend too, so we can start taking planes to do that. Player warp 4. Okay, so he was around here somewhere. Is he hiding in one of these guys? Yeah, I think he's one of these guys, right? Well, that's funny. There's another source here. So the thing I have to account for now in the future, this is the first time I'm seeing this, you know, and this isn't the first time I've thought of this, but this is the first time I seriously have to think about it, which is that if I go to every city right now, there's gonna be a source waiting. But if I start this source mission and I go carry out the task, he's gonna give me intel on somebody else, potentially even my agency. He might even be telling me, oh, that's interesting. So it's like if you come across another source in public, like if you're running around and you're doing your thing and then you see some dude sitting there, you're like, oh, I think that's a source. Then like if I was playing with people, or even I guess in one player mode, like if I killed this source, right? Okay, anyways, I'm not gonna deal with that right now. I have to deal with that later. Right now, we just want to kill. Oops, I finally caught it and then I dropped it. Is our dude like hiding in here somewhere? Is he one of these guys? I don't think so. I think I just killed some innocent people. This dude was definitely in Morocco though. But where did he go? Oh, did I feel like I once did this and like he was over here or something. Let's just check. Go to DC, source, and then DC quests. Target NPC. Target NPC is... Oh, he was in fucking Moscow. That looks so similar to... This is why the game needs final assets, so you could better distinguish those things. Okay. We're going to Moscow. There he is. Kind of mixed in with these boys. Pop! Gotcha. Now let's go back home. And uh-oh. Oh, here he is. Okay, so I'm gonna he gives me that information. This should be there for like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should be getting up to leave. He should just be getting up to leave. Let's pause it. How can it be stuck on that if it... That doesn't make any sense. It should be here, because payment is delivered. It's still going there. It got here, but then never quite got to the end somehow? It never finished that? Okay, payments to. Oh, I have to like stand close enough next to him. Wait, what? Something's interrupting the process. Okay, so I might have to... let me see something real quick. Oh. Do you know anything about lessons? So it's source solving, PW example for simple. Oh, okay. Okay. Shit, yeah, this is a tough one because I don't know where this pulse to check again is coming from. But it seems like this wait state would actually have to end up being like a float add kind of deal instead of waiting. Like, here's the thing is I'm just gonna fire this off. I'm gonna go alt click this and I'm gonna resume this. Let's see what happens. Okay, so he does. Oh. Super laggy. He's like walking down the street with the information above his head, just like broadcasting out this top secret intel. Okay, but I do actually, okay, let's just, I know how to fix that. It's kind of funny because we can't use traditional wait options. So down here, where it usually has a weight, instead, we're gonna do a float add and a float compare, and the float we're adding is new variable float timer, adding 1. It's be running every frame, and it's per second. So if it's 1 per second, then we want to compare it. Let's see, float timer. If this is 10, then if this is equal or greater than, we'll send it to next. Greater than, next, and this will also be every frame. So that way, as it returns to this, because it does pulse, it'll pick up where it left off. And then it'll go here. Where it's gonna get the closest Civ spawn point, which that can be kind of troubling because if it runs through this multiple times, there might be something weird where it's like it might get caught in between 2 Civ spawn points because nav meshes aren't always direct routes to them, so you might have to pass one. We'll see. Set destination, set agent as stops, that means it's going, plays walk, en route, so you get agent remaining distance, right, that's fine, and only until it can do that does it warp to a new city, which means it gets this random city, get random object, puts them there, and then sends back to the top. Oh, where does it get that quest in progress from? Where does it get that from? Bool test, quest in progress. If it's false, then it goes to signals. And if it's here, it goes through here. Oh, does it set awaiting response? Begin meeting. Okay, and then it tells our signal routines quest in progress, checks that, and then it goes to quests. And does this have anything to do with that either, or no? It does not. NPC payment delivered. Okay. Source signal routines. So if it is in progress, it'll go here. and it'll just stay there. And then payment delivered. It needs to reach all the way to the end. So just before here is where it does that. Set bool value. I'll call this reset. Quest in progress. Sets it to false again before sending it back. Okay. Should work? Maybe? Let's find out. I do wish where I knew that pulsing is coming from. Where the pulsing is coming from. Oh, language shutting down. Play it. Oh. Okay. Let's get our package. Oops. Where'd I drop them? Uh-oh. Where'd I drop my matches? Shit. Did they like fly off me? What the fuck happened to them? Dude, where'd my matches go? Oh, that is a fuck. I just dropped my matches. I just got all click happy. Fuck. Alright. Oh my goodness. I do need to make it so he stops spouting off that intel when he's walking away, because that's like weird. Also probably need to set it so it's like choose a random civ spawn point instead of the closest one. But then that does fuck up the flow. Oh boy. Where's our boy at? Keanu PD Lounge. I can't wait till I figure out what the hell to do with the directional light. Hello, sir. Can I get that for you? Uh-oh. Don't know where that is. Where is that? Oh! Did I just get lucky? No, that's just a dude. Damn. That's a mailman. No, it can't be here. Can it? I don't think so. I don't think it's here either. Could be here. Sorry, guys. Nope. Player warp 3. This is where I am. 4. There he is. Okay. Go back home. All right. And then 10 seconds from there, there we go. So he should go to his despawn point, and basically we should see him, I think he's heading for this despawn point. We should see him get there and then vanish into thin air. Please vanish, and please don't crash. Is the spawn point... Oh no! I hit stop instead of pause. Fuck! I can't debug that. I could look at this at least to see maybe what happened. And also could go to DC, and then go to these civ spawn points. Let's see, civ spawn point 1 is right there. 2 is right there. 3. Aha! I think 3 is out of bounds. I think I need to scooch it back. That's what happened. Okay. Let's check 4 just to make sure. Okay, 4 is within reach. Alright, that's probably what happened. Okay. Just gonna zip through this one. Smoke. This guy's in Paris. Spawn item 0. Is there a source over there? Yeah! Look, there's sources in every city now. Every time you go to a city, there's a source waiting there to have their stove lit up. Pop! Player warp. Uh-oh. That's gonna stay there. But, you know. That wouldn't happen in real life because nobody's using a debug console. Alright. Okay, so I stand here at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Oops, and he accidentally told me another piece of information. He shouldn't be telling me anything when he walks away. Let's scale time. Speed this up. And make sure I can see it happen. Okay, so should vanish. But he doesn't. Why? Is the distance too much? What's funny is he's still a child of that tiki chair too. I would have to unparent him at the end of all that, which is fine. Signal source routines. It shouldn't be there. It never gets back to here because it's waiting. Now he's waiting to do another quest. Right. I need to reset quests too. Interesting. I'm just gonna send it back here. I'm gonna cheat for a second. I just wanna see what happens. And he does. Okay, he at least vanishes, goes to the next city. But where is he now? There he is. Now he's in Berlin. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, the thing that happened is it got stuck on Frank Reynolds. Hey, how's it going, Frank? Oh, look, you got a new user profile icon thing. It's going pretty good. This game's fucking coming along quick. I'm like surprised to see like all this stuff happening as quickly as it is. Let's see, source gets stuck on signals instead of sending to payment delivered. So reset the signal bool at the end of the warp. I always type wrap warp. The image is pixel art character I did a month ago. It's like a hat, a mustache, and an eye patch. It's a good look. It's a good look. Dude, so all the countries, whenever you go there, they all have sources waiting there. They're all working for different agencies. They're not working for different agencies, but you know, they're helping out different agencies. And what else? And right now, NPCs are about to go through a loop, and the information they give you is to your randomly assigned rival city. Like, ooh, this shit is coming along. So I know what I need to change now. Okay. NPC. That car is dope. Reminds me of the one Mr. Bean drives. I love it. Yeah. It reminds me of like Lupin. Lupin! Let me see. Lupin the Third. Car? Dude, it's totally the Lupin car. Look at that thing. It's like almost the Lupin car. Lupin! Look how cute it is. I want to like put it in my mouth. I think my car is cuter than, actually right there. This one is pretty cute. This one. Some situations are cuter than the other, or some depictions. Yeah, Lupin! I just love saying that. Lupin! NPC. And in DC quests, I believe. Payment delivered. Signals? Oh. I think I put this at like the top of it instead, huh? Or where did I put that shit? I did reset it there. Oh. So desu ne. My problem is that in quests, or no. Yeah. Signals? In signals, these things get reset. It gets set again, and over and over and over and over again. So it's fighting that. This sets it to positive, and it stops there. Okay. So, I got the NPC. You got the NPC? The NPC to move like people. Oh, I thought you were saying like one final complete statement. To move like people. Nice. Oh, yo, please take videos, screenshots. I want to see some stuff of that. They're no longer oversized Roombas. Nice. Okay, so this gets stuck there. Maybe this payment delivered is its own FSM. Might be its own FSM. It could also be that reset FSM variable. So if it's awaiting response and then it begins meeting, maybe okay, maybe this goes here. Maybe this gets deleted. Maybe I had it right the first time. Could have finished. Set this. And but actually even in between here, put in like a wait for reset. Is that already wait for reset? Really? Is that already a name in here? Where's that at? Oh, there is. Yeah, okay. Wait, oops. Wait for signal routine reset. And so this will have a get FSM bool and a bool test. I still need to get the NPC models finished and rigged. Right now, they're just capsules that wander around the speakeasy like as individuals instead of a human centipede. My typing tonight is particularly awful tonight. I still find that stuff so fascinating, watching the little capsules or boxes or whatever hopping around, like, love that stuff. Wait for the signal. Get FSM bool. The FSM name is source signal routine. The variable name is when would I want it to reset? I'll say routine. Routine reset. That'll be the name of it. Store as value. Routine reset. And it'll be running a bool test, checking for the same thing. True. And that's all we want it to do. Both of these are every frame. Okay. Source signal routines. So down here at reset, we're going to do a set bool value. New variable, routine reset. And that is true. I'm switching from first-person perspective to isometric. I want a more terrarium-like feel. Ooh, I like that. I like that. When I was doing my bar disco club game, I was really inspired by Overcooked, and I often think about redoing that game in third person. Kind of, not isometric necessarily, but that kind of overhead terrarium. Like, have you played Overcooked, Frank? Okay, so we're gonna reset that. I have not. Yeah, Overcooked is dope. It's a really good game. It's a really amazing game. But yeah, that was my reference. It's just, if you looked at Overcooked, the view of it is like it's looking into these restaurants and stuff, and like I was like, oh, maybe that's a good format for the game. Huh. I don't know where I should change this bool value. I guess it can constantly be set to false over and over again until it finally hits that part where it is true. So I guess it could be in this get variables. Maybe I make a new one called set variables. Oops, what the fuck? Yeah, Overcooked is one of the most amazing co-op experiences. It's like, it's best played with as many people as possible. I think it's max 4 players, but if you play that with 4 of your friends and you're all on headset, or if you're all, I think it's local too. You could play local, which, oh man, I've only played local with 2 people before, and man, I can't wait for the pandemic to chill out and everybody's vaccinated and it's been enough time where we feel safe. I just want to project Overcooked on this wall and then bring over some friends, and then we all play. Like, that'd be a good time. That'd be a fucking good time. Alright, so we got this set variables thing, sets routine to false, and then down here at reset, it sets it to true, and over in quests, no, signals. Yeah, it waits for that to get set to true, and then it goes over here, and then it resets these values. I think though, yeah, okay, that's good. I think that's good. And in quests, does it need something similar? I don't think so. I think it'll just run through quests. Send event by name, payment delivered. Perhaps it is time to run it. Let me take one more look at this guy. One more look under the hood. Payment delivered, right? And then it comes here, goes through this whole thing. Pair. Say goodbye. Oh, I could be setting a... I'm so dumb, I always forget about this convention where it's like... I could just be setting a thing up here. Where... instead of check if scared, let's see. I think it does check if payment is delivered. Payment delivered. If we set a bool here at the top, set bool value, move to top. I came up with some awesome menu ideas. Awesome to me anyway. Menu ideas like game menu or like drink menu. Payment delivered. Okay, that sets it to true. And so now over here, you do a bool test, and you look for payment delivered, and then you do a true. And false, I guess. False. And I think false just continues, right? False goes down here. And then true will send to payment delivered, I believe. Yes. Send event. Payment delivered. Okay. Payment. Pay del. Send to pay del. I want the title and the menus to look like silent film title and dialogue cards from silent films. Yeah, that's a good one. I dig that. I dig that. Oh yeah. Have you played Cuphead? They got some really great title menus that do a similar kind of. They have like a UI that kind of has those title cards type of thing, like classic movie title cards. Okay, so that gets it to true. So then every time it comes through, it goes through there. But then reset, we'll do the set bool value. Just before it leaves, it will change the payment delivered to false. Okay. Oh man. Is that it? Is that all I need? I think that was a much more elegant solution than what I was trying at first. Okay. All right, let's run it. I'm feeling okay about this. I think this is a pretty good chance that this will work. The art from Cuphead is amazing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Have you been there when I busted out my art book and I've just drooled over it? Love that art book. I was actually playing Cuphead the other day. I still really want to take a weekend out of my life where I just play through it and just fucking do it, you know? Because that crazy camera angle, that guy. Because I play it in these tiny bursts. And I rarely finish missions. This last time I played, I finished a mission. Like, I couldn't believe that I did it. Alright. Got this package. Mono PD matches. Scale time 6. There he is. They did a great job capturing the look of Max Fleischer. Yeah, they did. Totally. Dude, when I was a kid, I used to love the Popeye, like, parallax. The multiplane. Where is this? This is Berlin. I used to love that shit. And you know, when I was a kid, the only way I knew how to interpret it was dioramas. So I'd make little shoebox dioramas, trying to get the same feeling out of like Popeye scenic painting, I guess. Berlin 3. Okay, there's our boy. Popping him. He's dead. Player or 0. I live like 20 minutes from Walt Disney's original studio in Kansas City. The building where he came up with Mickey Mouse is still there. I used to live. I've since moved, but it was awesome to be close to something like that. That does sound pretty rad. That sounds very rad. All right, we're about to do it. Here we go. Okay, he didn't give me the info this time. Oh, there it goes. It was late. But he's walking back. Do you have Disney Plus, Frank? Did you watch the Imagineers documentary? I think, is that what it is? I think it's like a 6-part series or something. Maybe it's more than that, less than that. It's a series, a docu-series on Disney Plus that talks about like the origins of Disneyland and everything. When they did a remodel on it, they called in a lot of world famous cartoonists to do an art on the plywood while the windows were boarded up. Oh, that's so dope. That's super dope. Okay, you think he's gonna do it? Please warp. Please warp. Oh, you're breaking my heart. You're breaking my heart. Why? Why? Oh, I have to do that path pending thing. Yeah, I need to do that path pending thing. God damn it. Okay. So what is it, like path pending or what is it again? So I use this instead of oops. I'm gonna try something new. I wonder if this is Nah, you know what? I'm just gonna do this. Position. Of that spawn point. Store it, spawn point v3, and set agent destination. Because this one has a path pending done event built in. Oops, don't need to do that. Destination. And let's put this at the very bottom. We'll say next. So when it's done calculating, then it continues on. And I'll even put this in here. En route. There we go. Let's see if that treats us any better. What's weird is that when we get to this payment delivered part, we get the piece of intel, we activate the dialogue canvas, we set the text, and then we start the timer. But for some reason it didn't pop up until he started walking away that last time, which is just so weird. We'll see. Okay, running it again. Love all this space. I always see that one dude pass by over here on this on my scene window. I need tonight to be the night that NPCs or sources travel on their own. Scale time 9. Look at him, he's so fast. Have a seat, my dude. Alright, our dude's in DC. I'm gonna go kill somebody right now. Not in real life, just in this video game. Pow. Why? Why doesn't it activate? Is he gonna start walking away even though it hasn't even activated? It did. What the fuck? And he's not even showing any information right now. That's a bit troubling. That's a little troubling. Let's see what happened when he gets to wherever he's gone. I'm actually gonna check right now. Let's see. DC source signal routine. I think I want to add a persistent cloud of smoke in the speakeasy. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Oh. Why can I not see my mouse? Oh, Unity, why are you doing this to me? There we go, okay. What's up with this shit? This infinity shit? Why does it say infinity? Set agent destination. That spawn point. Like, he's obviously getting closer to it. Get agent remaining distance. It's using the owner, right? Float compare. So it's at least getting to the en route part. But that doesn't explain why his canvas was not activated. Oh, that could explain it. Primary objective intel from Moscow. Let's see, where's Moscow at? Why doesn't Moscow have anything on it? Oh, item number 1 is empty. So that means it's agency. Yeah, look at that. The agency key code is nothing, which is null. Huh. Set intel string room. Set intel string key code. Oh. I forgot there was a fucking FSM on the doors. That was a close one. Holy shit. I might have went and deleted something like that if I didn't realize that. Alright, so that one is fine. Actually, let's check which... It's room 3. So what happened here? Whoa, yeah, look at that. Random 4-digit float, 7774. This door's key code. Oh wait, actually, no. Not a whoa. That's not crazy. Oh, there's a whoa. Player interacted. Oh, I'm dumb! You need to go up to them and interact with them. Right? Is that what it is? Oh, no. Ugh. Get and set variables. Convert float to string format. Yeah, no, there's the string variable. What the fuck? 7774. And if you look at the HQ, it gets variables. Okay. Choose room. Chooses the room. It gets the key door code. Wait, what? Key door code. Oh yeah, key code door. There we go. My brain's shutting down, y'all. How is it? 7? I gotta get this. Key code door. Doesn't specify its name. It's weird, it doesn't pull this door's key code. It didn't get it. This is blank. This door's key code. Variables. This door's key code. It's right there. Maybe Unity needs to get restarted? I'm gonna try that. Let's try that. There's a couple funky things that happen that seem very out of place. I'm gonna restart this. I gotta run. Have an awesome night. Thanks, Frank. Thanks for stopping by. And I will have an awesome night. I'm gonna fucking solve this, and then I'm gonna go play Deep Rock Galactic with my bros. I hope they're free to play some DRG. Yo, Frank, you should check out Overcooked. Super dope game. Really good to play with your friends. And if you get the first one, maybe even the second one. I think you could do Steam, that thing where like your friends could play your copy for free remotely. Like you just like, they could just join your game or whatever. They don't have to have it. I should actually message these bros. Okay. It could have gotten null also because, let's see, Agency HQ. It also could have done it like, I'm gonna give this a buffer too. Or the key code, that needs to get a buffer. Those need buffers. Key code door, init, let's see, buffer. Dinah, damn, it's been a while since I watched your stream. What's up, Dinah? Seriously, I remember you used to dip in. Where you been? How you been? Putting in a wait state. And we'll make this wait like, we could even make this shit wait 5 seconds if we wanted to. Finish event, next. Alright. Hopefully that does us. Alright. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. What was it? It was just trying to get the player okay, whatever. Oh my goodness. Christ. Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it, mailman. Give me my frame rate back. There we go. Oh. Give me my frame rate back. Oh, weird. Super volatile. Floating around between 60 and 70. Then I run, and it drops to like 50. 40s. Okay. Ooh, is that package for me? Sure is. Scale time. 10. Oh shit, that fool was already right there. I didn't even see that. Ooh, what's with this? Why is my shit all laggy? This is like computer laggy. What is going on? That's not normal in-game lag. This isn't your dad's lag. Alright, this is in DC. I'm gonna go kill this DC boy. There he is. Pop. Sorry, lol, I don't have time to watch your stream. It's alright. What have you been up to? Cool, he's telling me my information. It's great. And then 4, 3, 2, cool. He's leaving now. So he told me the info. Now he's getting the fuck out of Dodge. I'm gonna wait for him over here. I'm gonna speed it up. Ah! Oh, wait. No. If he sees this dead body, he's gonna freak out. Fuck. Hide the dead body. Oh, I hope he doesn't see that way over there. God, I hope he doesn't see that. Nice! Okay, it worked. Where'd he go? DC. Source. He is in DC again. Aw, you suck, dude. I guess, yeah, you could go to DC again if you wanted to. But, like, fuck off. That's funny. So, like, what would be the natural thing after this? It would be you go to the city. This is him, right? Yeah. What is the natural? Let's see. He needs to send another signal. It's so funny that he chose fucking DC. Dummy. I think I'm gonna call it there for tonight. I think I'm gonna call it there. I think we've done a lot of good work today. Looking forward to finishing up a lot of good stuff tomorrow too. A lot of things happen. Airports work. I feel like something before that. It's mostly just the airports thing that we did a lot of. NPCs are looking good. Yeah, looking really solid. All right, y'all. Thanks for stopping by today. Enjoyed y'all's company. I don't know who's left in the chat, but I will be back tomorrow. Gonna try to hop on around the same time tomorrow, sometime around noon, potentially even earlier. I'm feeling up to it. Don't forget to join the Discord. Don't forget to drop by, say what's up, say hi. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have you seen that ProZD video of him talking about YouTubers? He does the like, comment, and subscribe thing. All right, I'll catch y'all soon. Catch y'all tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Get some good sleep. Eat right. Make sure you talk to friends and family about any woes you might have on your mind. Get out, get some sunshine, drink a lot of water, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, peace.